Qingdao iFlow Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer of valves. The products are applied in water treatment, HVAC, marine, oil, and gas. iFlow owns research and development team and is managed strictly under ISO 9001 quality control system. Our products are selling to more than 40 countries and Houston Shangri-La Hotel, Cary Center, Milan Expo, Fiat.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.